Hi, welcome to AutoCAD tutorial using the 2010 edition. When you first launch your AutoCAD, the user interface is basically like this, with a white background and a shorter crosshair. But the recommended settings for this is a black background and the infinite crosshair. So let's see how we can configure these options. So to do that, mouse over to the application menu and click, and then move down to options, click, and then a dialog box like this will come, a dialog menu. So ensure to be on the display tab and then increase the crosshair size to 100 by sliding the knob, and then click on color tab. This allows you to change the colors. Move to the color palette here, drop down the list and then choose black. At this point you can click apply and close on the tab here, and then apply again and then OK. Instantly AutoCAD has updated the background and the crosshair. So this is how you can enable such options. But I was about saying AutoCAD has introduced a ribbon style apart from the classic style that 2000 to 2002, 2003 up to 2008. In fact, even 2009 AutoCAD has been inheriting the earlier versions of user interface known as the classic. So we'll be looking into that, but I just want to notify you that a transformation has really taken place in 2010 with what is known as the ribbons panel. So looking at the ribbon panel of AutoCAD, AutoCAD has introduced a tab here just at the bottom here that controls the whole bunch of tools placed on the panel here. The whole of these tools are controlled by this very knob, which is called the ribbon tab. So by the time you click this, it minimizes, in fact it minimizes the tools, allowing you with some basic tools here that when you mouse over they drop down and you can still make use of them in a very normal way. So by clicking on it again, AutoCAD will totally eliminate the tools, but then you still have the main menus here where if you click and they drop down as usual, So with this powerful CSS techniques of AutoCAD, it has really improved the environment. You see, now you can have a lot more of space for presentation or even design. And in addition to that, AutoCAD has introduced what is known as the quick tool. You have a knob here that can drop more of these tools, can bring out more of these tools. They are just the quickest tool that you really require to accomplish most of the tasks, the tasks that you often do. So to add more of this tool here, you will notice a black arrow pointing down here. Just click on it and you have a drop down where you have additional tools. So the ones that are present here, the ones that are available on the toolbar, are the ones that are marked here. So if you want, let's say you want to add properties, so you can just click property and you will notice the property tool will also be present in the toolbox. And they have also introduced what is known as the application icon. The application icon, which is the big capital A you just have at the very top left corner here. The application icon, once you click on it, it carries a lot of commands. In fact, it's as if it's the main menu where you have new, open, save, save as, export and stuffs like that. So what this simply does is that it gives you quick links to the main commands, like creating new drawings, open existing. You can also save as, you can save as AutoCAD template. You can export your drawings. You can export drawings even a PDF. We'll be learning more of this because it's very important. Most times you don't want users to have access to your source files, so you export your drawings to PDF and email them or copy for someone. You also have the print icon here. When you mouse over, you see a lot of plotting system. You can even set a print setup, that is a page setup, through this application menu. You can publish, you can send, drawing utilities, you can also close. Mind you, if you mouse over here this time around, you will see AutoCAD gives you options. Do you want to close the current drawing, or you want to close all the drawings? That means if you have multiple different pages open, AutoCAD can instantly close all of them. Okay, we are leaving out some important tools here. You have recent document and then open. On the recent document here is actually the most recent document you have used. They will be listed here for you for quick access. And the next one here is open. When you click on this, you have documents that are existing, and when you mouse over them, it gives you a big image, a thumbnail of that document, such that you know precisely this is what you want. Okay, the drawing is not in existence, that's why you can see X, capital X there. You can also search. You can search a drawing here by typing, maybe you have drawing called let me say foot, because I have something foot. No, okay, I think I've deleted the file. But once you type here, AutoCAD searches for an existing drawing of that name and then brings it right here. You can close this. It takes you back to the main menu. At this point, you can also access more options of AutoCAD here, like the one we just did by setting the display settings and the crosshair. So that is what you can do with the application menu. You can exit the program by clicking just that button. And also, AutoCAD has introduced the user interface that I was telling you, the workspaces. That's made available the workspace switching dialog here to make everything handy. Once you click there, you can switch between the workspaces. That's a very handy tool. In the initial edition, I don't think we had something like that. Even if we have, it was above here, but here everything is well arranged for quick access. And you also have to note that definitely introducing new programs, updates and upgrades come with new commands, but not eliminating the existing ones. And for those of you that have used 2007, you will definitely notice new commands that are introduced.